Hello beautiful people, at the end of this video you're going to know how to make a very safe lightening or brightening black soap with just natural ingredients. No chemicals, no serums, no tube creams. So sit back, relax and let's learn. Of course, to make our brightening black soap, we need our black soap, our African black soap. African black soap is really cleansing, it's antifungal, it's rich in vitamin A and E, and it's also a great exfoliant. Next, we also need honey. Honey is a moisturizer, it's a mild exfoliant, and it also has anti-aging benefits. I'm going to be using the honey as the liquid to melt the black soap. Next, I'll be using shea butter. Shea butter is a moisturizer. It can help to soothe dry skin. It can help to fight breakouts, and it also has anti-aging properties. So shea butter is going to help us moisturize the skin. Next, I'll be using lemon oil. Lemon oil is one of the very good oils for brightening effects. Lemon oil is moisturizing. Lemon oil will brighten dull skin, and lemon oil also deep cleans the pores. Here I have my turmeric extract, which is my first active ingredient, meaning that the turmeric extract is one of the ingredients that will give us that lightening or brightening effect. Turmeric extract is for skin brightening, it's an antioxidant, it's anti-inflammatory, and it can help with spots. Next, I have my carrot extract. Carrot extract is also an active ingredient, which means that it's going to give us that brightening effect as well. It's rich in beta carotene, it has vitamin C, it's antiseptic and brightening. Next, I have my rice powder, which is also good for skin brightening or skin lightening. Rice powder is an exfoliant, a mild exfoliant. It has brightening effects, anti-aging effects, and UV protection. We are going to start by adding the honey into the black soap. As I said before, the honey is going to help us to melt the black soap properly because I don't want to add water into this. So I'm going to add the honey into the black soap, and I will leave the full list of the ingredients and their accurate measurements in the description box. So right now we are going to melt the black soap using the double boiling method. So we are going to melt it using steam from a boiling water. So now I'll drop the black soap in a pot of boiling water, and it will begin to melt gradually while I stir it. As you can see, the black soap is already melting gradually, so I'll keep stirring it as it melts. And the reason why we are melting this black soap is so that the rest of the ingredients will be able to incorporate better into the black soap. So keep stirring it as it melts. As you can see, the black soap is completely melted now. So we are going to take it off the heat. And this is what it looks like after melting. I'm going to leave it aside and we'll prep the rest of our ingredients. So here is my shea butter, and into the shea butter I'm going to add in the lemon oil, and then we are going to melt the shea butter. So I'll add in the lemon oil before we double boil it. So the shea butter is also melting the same way we melted the black soap. If you're learning from this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment and subscribe. So here's our shea butter and lemon oil mixture. It's completely melted, and now I'm going to go ahead and add the active ingredients into this. So first I'm going to add in my extracts. I've combined the turmeric extract and carrot extract, so I'm going to add it into the oil. These extracts are very safe for skin brightening. There is no need to use serums or dangerous chemicals. I'm also going to add in my rice powder into this as well. Now I'll give this mixture a good stir so that everything is well mixed and well incorporated. Now I'm going to add in the shea butter, extracts and rice powder mixture into the black soap. I also added in a preservative. Sorry, I didn't show that part, but I'll add it to the recipe in the description box. So we're going to take our time and mix it very well so that all the ingredients get into the black soap and so that you can get the most out of all of your ingredients. Here's what my soap is looking like after properly mixing. It has this yellowish color, and that's because of the extracts, but it will still get darker as time goes by. So I've packed my black soap and this is what it's looking like. This black soap will brighten your skin safely. It's going to give you that radiant, brighter skin and to help you improve dull skin. This soap is excellent and it's really safe because unlike most of other black soaps you see around, this does not contain any chemicals or serums. This is just fine. If you watched this video till this point, thank you so much for watching, and I hope and trust that you learned how to make your lightening or brightening black soap in a safe way. So like this video, share this video, drop a beautiful comment and let me know what tutorial you want to see next. Bye and see you in my next video. And in case you haven't seen my other videos, please catch up with them now. Take a look at the beautiful pictures I took of the black soap.